Okay. Good morning, grade 9, my advisory. We are still stuck with activities in the Q2, module 1, weeks 1 to 4, right? The heredity, inheritance, and variations. And of course, we lack time to discuss the second module, which is the module 2, the electron configuration or the electronic structure of a matter. Okay. What are these? What's with the electronic configuration, the electron configuration, the electronic structure of a matter? This is more on the chemicals, the sharing of electrons. How do these chemicals interact? Like the chemical reactions that is actually happening when you mix the different chemicals. What are the chemical compositions and so on? So these are um, the discussions under electronic structure of a matter, okay, the orbitals and so on. So I will not actually into hurry. I will discuss it thoroughly with you because this is really important. That lesson is really important. That lesson is really vital. Why? Because you'll be using that one in your higher years, even in senior high and college. Okay, I want to make a foundation, a strong foundation of knowledge with regards to the electronic structure of a matter. Okay, that is the reason behind, right? I did include it in the exam, the periodical test, thinking that we can actually tackle this as early as possible. But I think time didn't actually um, give us an give us a chance to discuss this one. We have a limited time, but after the Christmas vacation, after this, I will discuss this thoroughly, right? This is one of the greatest foundation with when we are talking about um, matter. We're talking about physics and chemistry, okay? Because this is a mixture of physics and chemistry, right? Going back to module 1, weeks 1 to 4, what I want you to do now, since we need to hurry up, speed up the process, since your exam is fast approaching, what I want you to do now is I want you to do activity number 3, the monohybrid and dihybrid crosses. Sure. With the monohybrid and dihybrid crosses, you are with me in the previous years, correct? Only some are
Yes.
not with me, correct? Rabi?
Yes.
This is one of our lesson. I stayed for a longer period of time discussing about monohybrid and dihybrid crosses. Okay. Again, you can actually visit on the videos that I actually uploaded in our LMS. So it's in there. Okay. So the instructions given here is where are, let me check on the instructions. Identify the genotypic and phenotypic ratios of the following crosses. Express your answers in a Punnett square, the one that we are actually using. Okay, the box, right? So with this, okay, I want you to identify the phenotypic. When you say phenotypic, again, this is the observable traits, observable behavior, the physical appearance, and so on. The colors, those are the observable traits, right? And the genotypic. When you say genotypic or genotypes or genes, okay? The genes, was it a heterozygous? Was it a homozygous? And so on. Was it a pure or homozygous? How many percent is the homozygous? How many percent is the heterozygous? Or how many percent is the recessive allele? Okay, when you pair a recessive allele with another recessive allele, you can actually observe that it can actually manifest in the progeny. So was it all recessive alleles and so on? Right? Do you have any questions so far?
None, sir.
All right. Again, please bear with me with the examination. Okay. I don't want to be unfair towards you because I actually value all of you. It's the reason behind. And again, I'm thinking about by next year, hopefully, okay, we are actually talking about the home visitation. I introduced this to Rabi last meeting, I think, that we will have the home visitation for those who needs home visitation. I'll just inform you ahead of time so that we can actually go to your houses to check on you. That's how we actually value you, right? But again, please do not answer those that we didn't actually discuss. Okay? That would be very unfair in your part. Would that be okay?
Yes.
Right. But module 1, weeks 1 to 4, module 1, weeks 1 to 4 for Q2, these are all discussed, right? All you have to do is to dig deeper on the terminologies there, study in advance, and of course, again, familiarize the terminologies. Do not memorize. Again, do not memorize, just familiarize. Take it easy. The examination is 17, so you must have a full relaxation of mind by 16. Okay, a full relaxation of mind, meaning to say, ease the burden. Okay, relax your mind. Okay, chill out. Okay, rest well. That's my advice. Okay, study today. Okay, until tonight. Okay, but tomorrow you need to have a relaxation of mind. Okay, this is pertaining to all your subjects, not just in Science 9. All right. I think that'll do for today, class. Do you have any questions? Any
None, sir.
suggestions? Something to share?
None.
Right. By the way, for the one-on-one session, I think we cannot do the one-on-one session tomorrow simply because that will be the start of your exam. That's your examination schedule. Tomorrow's is actually the schedule of December 16th, Thursday is, yeah, your schedule for English, mathematics, and values. Yes. So again, see you tomorrow. Do not forget to join on our advisory before going to your classes, going to your exam, simply because I'll be giving you the set of instructions or further instructions in per subject, right? I think that'll do it for today, class. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for your time. Again, I'll be expecting answers from you until the end of the day. That's around 5 p.m. for activity number 3, monohybrid and dihybrid process. Have a nice day, grade 9. Take care. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye,
Merry Christmas,
sir.
everyone.